coaches and managers. I repeat, all swimmers, those who have represented Goa. Participants are punch.
You got 4 gold medals in all 4 events that you took part in. So tell us how hard do you work and how do you practice daily and what's your aim?
We train 2.5 hours in the morning, 3 in the evening, with gym sessions from 3 to 4:30. So that's my full schedule for the week, and we have a Monday off. And we complete in a day around 10 to 12 kilometers. So that's our schedule.
Which are your pet events?
The 50 free and the 100 free. These are my pet events.
Okay, and which events you got gold medal in?
Here I got the gold in the 50 free, 100 free, 100 fly, and the 200 IM.
And now since the national games will be coming to Goa next year, with that in mind, how hard or how vigorous your training need to be, and what are you doing for it?
Right now my focus is on the school nationals, but yes, I will be training very hard for the national games. That is my primary focus for next year. So I should medal at least something there.
Absolutely, Goa will definitely want a medal here in swimming. Train under Mr. Ganguly.
Yes, he's bought specially for us right now from the Goa Swimming Association. So he's really good. I've changed my coach just 3 months back, and I've seen lots of improvement. My speed, strength, stamina, everything's gone up. And I think so he's the perfect man till school nationals and for national games.